Negemi ndogio na gikeno kiria gikuiyire etekia dini ya Gathoreki kaunti-ini ya Nyeri hindi ya kwamukirwo kimutaratara kwa Bishofu Anthony Muheria uria urathamirio diocese-ini ya Nyeri ari muthikabu munene. Igongona riri ni rihumbirwo riri ni gavana wa Machakos Alfred Mutua na gavana wa Nyeri Samuel Wamathai aria macokeirie kanitha ngatho ni itemi riria nyitite hari kuiga thayu na kuhunjia urumwe na moria a Kenya guteterithia thayu hindi ino ya githurano kinene.
To our retiring Archbishop, Most Reverend Peter Cairo, we will miss you. You have been a caring father to all of us. You have been compassionate to everybody, irrespective of religious affiliation. You have taught us to be peacemakers, humble and selfless. Your exemplary performance and the faithful service will forever remain an inspiration to the Nyeri people and indeed the people of Kenya.
Akiaria hindi ya igongona riri muthikabu munene wa kanitha wa Gathoreki guku bururi-ini John Cardinal Njue ni anyitaniire na mabishofu angikuria a Kenya kurutithania wira na atongoria a kanitha aria macaguritwo oho na gwithema na ciiko cia ngui riri twerekeire githurano.
Watu waadilifu, watu wasiochukua lile na lile, na hasa viongozi wa kuaminika. Chagueni kwa maarifa ya Kiroho Mtakatifu.
Oho ni oririe mbeu njithi gwithema kuhuthirwo ni ateti ni amu ni atongoria na rucio rwa bururi. Gite Nderitheria Kameme TV, Jeta Kamau wa Mwangi.